purple slime is good.
Okay, so you want to make your own?
Yes.
Okay. Do you need Mama's help or you want to do it on your own?
Mamu's help.
Oh, I thought you were gonna do it on your own.
Mom.
What?
Hi guys. This is Kippy and Mamu going to make a slime.
Introduce yourself.
So hi guys. I'm Kippy. We're going to make a purple slime. This is Kippy and Mamu.
Okay. Now, what you gonna need to make a purple slime?
Let's pour the glue.
Okay. What else do you need?
Need borax and put warm water.
Okay.
And last, I put the food coloring, purple food coloring. Smell good.
Not good. Okay. What are you going to do first?
The glue oil. This is the glue oil.
Okay.
Let's see how it looks. Now, can you open it?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Mix the water here. 3, 2, 1, go.
So that's 1/2 teaspoon of borax and
And
1/2 cup of water, warm water.
warm water.
Okay. Next, what you gonna do? Oh, here's your glue.
Putting the glue, yeah.
Okay.
What happened to glue?
There. So what are you going to make, Langga? What are you making right now?
I'm making the purple slime,
Purple slime.
like splat on slime.
The what?
Splat slime.
Splat slime.
That purple slime.
Okay.
Why is like splat on 2, splat on 3, and splat on 4. Going to use that emoji.
Uh-oh.
Wait. The next food coloring. Yes.
Not the food coloring. You need to put borax mixture first, right?
Let's put it. Mom, can you put it?
Just get some. Come on, you can do it. You're showing them how to make the purple slime on your own.
Healthy.
1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's enough for now. Try to mix.
Yeah.
No. Mix it with your. Okay, that's fine. Spoon or hands, that's okay.
Spoon.
Okay, go ahead. Don't get too much borax. Okay, mix now. Okay, maybe you can try to add some color now.
Let's do this. Yeah. I'm going to put purple food coloring. Wait. Yeah. Wow. Great. Yes.
It would be nice if you're gonna use your hands with it.
Good.
Wow.
That's easy. Mom,
What?
can you do that?
No, you have to do it.
Yes.
Oh wow, that's so nice. Come on, go. You have to mix it, babe.
The next one.
Keep mixing. No, don't add more. Just don't add more borax. Just mix it. Make it fast, please.
I am.
That I really love. Now I love purple. I'm not a fan of violet or purple, but this one is nice.
Yes, that is excellent.
Come on, mix it properly. You can use your hands now, Beb.
Me too. Ends. Wow. Oh, please add.
No, don't add more because it will be hard. Come on, just mix them. Mix them.
Oh, it's perfect. That slime is perfect.
The slime is perfect. You think so?
Yes.
Let's try to add a little bit of reactor. Just
Good.
there we go. Come on, just make sure to mix everything.
Yes. Oh, this is borax. Warm water borax.
Warm water with borax.
Yes. Put warm water with borax.
Try to mix everything first.
Looks like Grimmer. Alodia Pokemon Grimmer. Like Glimmer, most like Slime Rancher.
Slime Rancher?
Yes.
What is Slime Rancher?
Captain Sauce and Lids. Oh, someone?
When you add some more reactor, it will be hard. So make sure you mix everything with your hands. Okay.
Oh, someone put this?
That's like gooey slime. Wait, okay, let me help you. Like gooey slime. That's okay, you're doing fine. That's perfect. See? You're mixing everything now.
Like alien slime.
Like what?
And aliens.
Like alien.
It's new slime.
Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Show me your happy face. Ah! Okay.
Oh, it's done. This is the slime.
Ah, that's nice. It's perfect, huh? Is it perfect?
Yes.
Show me.
It's perfect.
Oh yes. Look, it's not okay. Let me. Oh yeah. See, because it's not sticky in my hand, so it's a perfect slime. You see?
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like and subscribe and rate your friends. See you next time. Peace out, dude. Right, guys.
So what did you show them?
Showing the purple slime.
Like how to make a?
How to make a purple slime.
Alright, awesome. Is that your new toy now?
Yes.
Alright. Show me your happy face.
Yes.
Slime lang ka. Show me your slime, Beb. Beb, show me your slime.
It's great.
Aww.
It's G-Cliff.
G-Cliff. See? Show me.
G-Cliff slime.
G-Cliff slime?
Oh,